Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create very quick, beautiful and personalized Z-fold card. If you like this project, I really hope you'll enjoy today's tutorial. For my card, I'm going to use Drop of Sunshine number 3 digital collection, and in the description down below I left the link to CraftStash. It is affiliate link, which means at no cost to you I get a small commission if you buy from the link. As you can see, it has very beautiful design papers, but also lots of elements to fussy cut, and what I really like, it has some DL size beautiful backgrounds which you can use for very quick cards, but also it has some floral elements which you can personalize, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. As you can see, I'm going to use rainbow card from HobbyCraft, and using that design paper I'm going to create all my mats and layers. Super quick, beautiful, and everything will match beautifully because I try to stay with the same color palette. Now I'm going to use Card Making Magic, Get Well and Retirement Pretty Book Collection, and I'm going to use those two diamonds for my mats and layers for the focal element. Super quick and easy. Now I'm going to peel off the backing of my double-sided tape. It is always a good idea to have some tape behind your old paper elements and then use a few drops of liquid glue. In this case, I've got my one and only Magic Glue liquid glue. It is a book binding glue and it is perfect for any card making because you do have time to maneuver all your elements and it dries clear. I absolutely love it, and it literally adheres all the elements forever. I wonder, have you ever tried that magic glue in your card making? If you haven't, I hope you will give it a go. When all those elements are ready, we can start creating our card base. My favorite card type to create is always a shaped card, and then Z-fold cards. I absolutely love it. And to create our Z-fold, we're going to use a scoring board and 6 by 6 inches card base, and we're going to score our front panel exactly in half, and this way we're going to score it, fold and burnish. Super quick, easy, and we do have our Z-fold card base. Isn't it quick? I wonder, how often do you create Z-fold cards? Please let me know in the comments down below, and when you create them, what occasion do you usually use them for? This card was created for a friend of mine who works with me, and she is a real angel. She always helps every single person. So I thought I really want to give her something special, obviously something handmade. So that's why I created this card for her. I really wanted to create something with pink because that's one of her favorite colors, and she absolutely loved gardening and flowers, so I thought this collection, Drop of Sunshine number 3, would be perfect. And I really like the diamond from Card Making Magic. I really think it can make very beautiful focal element. Now I'm going to use cutting die Edgeable from Crafter's Companion, and it is called Butterfly Breeze, and I'm going to die cut it from 12 inches card. So I'm going to repeat the same pattern twice, and this way we have very nice edgeable. I absolutely love it, and if you have never tried that technique, maybe today is the day if you have some edgeable dice or even board dice. As you can see, I scored it in half. Now it is time to fold it, and if it's slightly bigger, then you can cut the excess off. I really like this butterfly pattern, works so well with this beautiful Drop of Sunshine number 3 collection. If you agree, please let me know in the comments down below. So I really like that white, but I thought let's add a little bit more color and dimension. So in this case, I'm going to use some alcohol markers from my stash. As you can see, I've got a scrap piece of paper, copy paper, just to make sure I don't use any of the alcohol marker on my glass mat. I know it is super simple to clean, but I really like to use a scrap piece of paper, and to be honest, you can reuse it as many times as you want. So these alcohol markers are from Spectrum Noir, and they are called Pink's Roses. And I've got PP3, PP5, and BP2. I think these colors work so well together. I wanted to create very nice ombre effect, but if you don't have alcohol markers, you can actually use any medium color of your choice, even aqua markers, to create very nice ombre effects. And I wonder, how often do you use edgeable dies in your card making? If you haven't tried any edgeables, in the top right corner there is a link to my video where I use 3 different ways how to use those edgeables. So as you can see, this is very quick to do, but it really makes a difference, especially when you create gradients or ombre effects. And I think these colors match really beautifully the card from HobbyCraft. And yes, if you don't have any colored card, you can also use the same alcohol markers to create small border on your mat and layers. Now I'm going to use Distress Oxide ink in Kitsch Flamingo, and I'm going to use ink blending tool at the very bottom, and I'm going to apply the ink, and this way we've got even better ombre effect. I wonder, how often do you mix and match your alcohol markers with inks? It's always a good idea to use alcohol markers first and then inks on top, because this way you're going to have your alcohol markers nips very clear and you won't damage them. But if you use them on any inks, then you risk damaging it, and that's not what I wanted here. And now it is time to start assembling all the card together. As you can see, I'm putting my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, only on the halfway through the first edgeable, because that's exactly where we want it to adhere on our card, and just to make sure we can open it safely. And then when this is ready, we can put more glue on the other side. And if you like Z-fold cards, maybe actually create different type of Z-fold card. If you do, let me know which one is your favorite. So when this is ready, our base for a card is complete, and then you can embellish it the way you want. And as you can see, I fussy cut lots of elements from Drop of Sunshine #3 collection, and I've got lots of elements ready. I really like those roses. I think these are just perfect for literally any occasion. And as I said before, in the collection you also have some floral frames which you can use to personalize your sentiments. So on your computer or tablet, you put them in Google Slides or PowerPoint, wherever you want, and then add your own sentiment, and then you can print them. Super quick, easy, and yes, you can literally create anything you want. And it is perfect. I really like this collection. If you haven't seen my other videos, for example, the one with stars, where I created 3-in-1 project, you can check it in the top right corner. So when this is ready, I'm going to start putting all those beautiful florals here. And just to finish it off, yes, we do need that sentiment. And for this one, I actually wrote the sentiment in Polish, because a friend of mine is Polish, and I wanted to show her that I really appreciate every single thing she does. And this one says, "Thank you for being here." As you can see, I'm putting some double-sided foam adhesive on the back for extra dimension, and it's always a good idea to use your pokey tool to peel off the backing, and then a few drops of liquid glue. Now it is time to add some gems. Obviously, there are pink gems around the diamond and also in the corners at the bottom. Please let me know, what do you think about this Z-fold card? Would you like to give it a go? I really hope you will create beautiful make this week. Don't forget to like this video and comment, because that means a lot to me. And every single Monday and Thursday I've got videos on my channel. And hit that notification bell so you know exactly when all my videos are on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!